Welcome to my channel House Window Design. So let's start video. Modern house design often features large expensive window to minimize natural light. These windows create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor space. Modern windows frame tend to be a slim and minimalistic, providing a sleek look. Some modern design incorporate fixed window that do not open, focusing slowly and aesthetic and lights. Modern windows are designed with energy efficient in mind, using materials like low E glass and proper insulation. Tint of reflective glass is used for privacy and to reduce heat gain. When windows do open, they often features casement or a wearing style for better ventilation control. Modern architecture may include corner windows creating stunning panoramic views. These high places windows allow light to enter while maintaining privacy. These high place windows allow light to enter while maintaining privacy. Modern houses often have combination of fixed and operable window for versatility. Entire wall and made of glass, providing unobstructed view and unobstructed natural light. Modern window comes unique shapes, triangle or trapezoid. Some modern windows incorporate smart technology for remote control and automation. Sliding or folding glass doors create a seamless transition for indoor and outdoors. Frameless windows or glass curtain wall providing a minimalist cleaning operations. Black window frames are a trendy choice in modern design for contrast and stylish. Modern house may feature bay or below windows adding dimension to the exterior. Blending or shapes built into the window's frame offer privacy when needed. Modern design considered safety with glass windows in bedroom and basement in areas common in modern design. For urban houses, stick windows reduce noise pollution. Modern windows are often strategically placed to optimize natural ventilation and airflow. Sliding window may have concealed text for a clean appearance.